best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it.
Hello friends, welcome back to Cora's Cozy Castle, or welcome if you're new. Today's video is going to be a Pottery Barn haul. If you guys have been watching me for any period of time, you will know that this is my absolute favorite store, and I'm very blessed to live near a Pottery Barn outlet that's located in North Georgia. It is a little bit of a drive for me, but if you've seen any of my haul videos, including this one, it is well worth the drive. So if you like videos like these, I would love for you to join me here on YouTube. Click the like, subscribe button, leave me a comment down below. I would love to get to know you and join me here on my journey. All right, so I'm gonna jump into today's haul video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Some of the items are rather large. I will be filming a couple of the items that I had to take upstairs because they are larger items, but I'm gonna do my best to hold these up to the camera to show them all to you. So the first item that I got was, I bought these really large candles. And they were $29 a piece, and then the entire store was take off 50 to 60%. So these were 50% off. So, I've priced candles before at other places that seemed to be pretty much a standard price. So I wouldn't call this like just a great deal, but I really like them. And the reason that I bought these was because I bought two of those. I didn't need to hold up both of them. But the next item that I'm gonna show you guys, I wanted something a little bit more with a height to go over my fireplace in my den, and I will show you guys what these look like after I film this part of the video. But I bought these lanterns. So they're see-through lanterns. They don't have glass in them. They're rather large. I don't know if you can, you can kind of tell just by judging how far I'm holding them up to my head and to myself. They're rather large. I think this is considered the medium size. There was a much smaller size that was about half of this, and then there was an even larger size that was much taller and wider than this one. I went with this one because this is what fits on my fireplace next to my television, and we have a picture screen television, basically a television that turns into a picture. So when it's turned off and it looks like a picture, I really wanted the space to feel like it didn't look like a television. So I wanted something with a little more height, and when I laid eyes on these and they're like a brushed gold, I just knew that that was what I wanted up there. So these were $145 marked down on the clearance store, but take 60% off of that price. So, an item like this at Hobby Lobby is definitely not gonna be cheap. I've priced these out before, which is why I haven't actually purchased one until now. So, I thought for the price, they're actually really heavy. They're very sturdy. I thought that that was a really good deal. So I got two of those, and then the candles, let's see if I can actually put the candle inside there and hold it up for you guys. It is rather heavy, but the candle goes in like that. And so I kind of have them turned, and again, I will show you guys a clip of that, what those look. That is the first two items that I purchased. The second items that I purchased, I saw these, and actually another lady was looking at them as well. So I had to hightail it over there before they got snagged up. But these lamps, you can see they're big and clear. I'm trying to hold it back for you guys. They are rather large lamps. I actually do not know what they're called, so I need to go on the website. All these items, if they're still currently on the Pottery Barn website, I will make sure to link those down below. But these lamps were an absolute steal, in my opinion. They were $145 marked down on clearance. I still have the red tag price back here. And when it is red tag, it is 60%, take an additional 60% off of that low price. Well, I say low price for Pottery Barn because that is a low price for them. So these lamps, I bought two of these to go in my bedroom on my side tables. Okay, this pillow is like a long snake-like pillow. It has a lot of different textures on it, and I absolutely love it. And I think that it looks awesome on our new couch. If you saw one of my last haul videos, you'll know that we got a new couch from Restoration Hardware, and it does not have that like good of back support. So when we saw this, my husband was like, oh yeah, that will go really good to just kind of be like a little lumbar support, but it'll also look really cool. There's a lot of different textures. Let me see if I can hold it close up to the camera. I think that's getting that. But it is super cool. And it's got like, I think it has 2 inserts in it because it kind of does like fold in the middle pretty easily. So I think it's 2 pillow inserts. I'm not exactly sure what this size would actually be, but I will make sure to link it down below. But it is absolutely awesome. I love it. The next item I'm about to show you guys, I cannot physically hold up. It is absolutely way too heavy for me, but it is a shelf. And my original idea for this shelf was that I was going to put it in the bedroom over our chair. And I wanted to hang like a throw on it and just be able to put some pictures of our boys because we don't have that much wall space in this house because it is so open. And I do want some pictures of the children like in our bedroom. But the space is a little bit too small, so I'm kind of not exactly sure what I'm gonna do with this piece, but I absolutely loved it when I saw it. It was originally on the clearance price in the outlet, $246. And because it was missing its hardware, it was actually 75% off of that price. So I got it at a rock bottom price. It does not have that many like scratches or anything. It's almost like next to perfect. So I'll show that to you guys now. Okay, so I'm thinking I might use this piece in Jensen's room. I'm not sure, but I absolutely loved it. The next 2 items I'm gonna show you guys are a couple of shelves that we got to go in our bonus area. We are still in the process of trying to make this room function. It is a multi-function room, and we want it to look similar to the downstairs part of our house. It's just been very hard to make that happen with as many things as we have kind of going on in the room. But we did find these shelves at the Pottery Barn outlet, and I really like them. They were originally, I think it was $140, but they were also on the red tag clearance, which was a 75% off of that price tag. So we're gonna put one of them underneath the television, and the other one is gonna go on either side of the smaller window so that I can put like, just kind of make it like a little more homey up there with some greenery and maybe some family pictures. So I'll show those to you guys now. All right, guys, that is it for today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you are having a fabulous day. I hope that this video may have made you feel a little less lonely for the day. That is what motivated me to start this channel in the first place, and I appreciate each and every one of you taking the time to watch my videos. I appreciate all of my subscribers, and if you are new, I would love to have you join me here on YouTube. Thanks so much, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Much love always. Bye.
I wanna do it all with you by my side. If you're in, meet me here tonight. Be brave and come along, I'll be your ride. Promise we don't need no brake lights. We can travel the world, so just say yes.